Welcome to the video. If you're wondering how to get started and buy your very first Rhode Island home, this video is for you. This video is part 2 of a 15-part series, and in this video, we're gonna go over exactly how to choose the perfect mortgage lender for you when you buy your very first house. So let's dive right into the video. So before you can get started with buying a house, you're gonna wanna connect with a really good mortgage lender. Now, there are many different options out there. There are regular banks like you go bank at for your own personal finances. There are mortgage brokers, there are credit unions, and there are actual platforms that you can go get mortgages on like Quicken Loans and Rocket Mortgage. So which one is the right one for you? Well, every single bank is going to be a good fit for a different person. So getting started in buying your first house can be overwhelming, especially getting pre-qualified and finding the perfect lender to help you with this transaction. Now, there are many different options that you have as a first-time home buyer. You have big platforms like Quicken Loans and Rocket Mortgage. You have your own personal bank that you might already bank at. And then you have mortgage brokers and credit unions that can also help you out with this process. So you might be wondering, how do you actually get started and choose the right lender? Well, it really depends on what your individual wants and needs are. So we suggest you look for a couple things when searching for the perfect lender to help you find your next home. The first thing to look out for is the level of service and availability that you have to that lender. So you want to be able to access your lender on a regular basis. If you're out looking at homes with your real estate agent and they simply don't answer the phone and can't get you an updated pre-approval letter, or simply just run the numbers again and get you a more accurate number on what the estimated payment is going to be on the home that you want to make an offer on, things can get a little frustrating. So finding a lender that has really good availability and is always there to help you out, within reason of course, is the best way to go. You want to find someone that's going to be there and gives you a full service experience. Next, you're going to want to find a lender that has a lot of experience under their belt. So the biggest thing is you want to find a lender that's going to be able to sit with you, talk about your individual personal finance situation, and then pinpoint a couple different options and programs that might be a good fit for you. So finding a professional that has access to a wide variety of programs and can sit down with you and go over your individual wants and needs is going to be a huge value going forward in finding your house. So finding the home is one thing, and that's really important to make sure you find the right fit, but finding the right mortgage product to match with that home is almost as important, if not more important. So making sure that you are with a professional that's going to work with you to help you find the perfect program is really important. Another thing to consider is the type of property you're buying. So some lenders are going to be more familiar with and have more programs for different types of housing. For example, if you're looking for something like a mobile home or a condo, there are certain lenders out there that might have more mortgage products that you're able to use to buy those types of properties. So it's important to realize what type of property you look to go buy before you identify which lender, because you're gonna wanna have that conversation up front and make sure that that lender is used to dealing with those types of properties and they have plenty of mortgage products available for you to access. Last but certainly not least, you're gonna wanna find a lender that's gonna invest the time into you in your process. So some people that come to us, they can't qualify for a mortgage right away. They might have a lower credit score, or maybe they need to work on getting their income up. Well, you want to find a team of professionals that is willing to work with you and follow up with you throughout the time that you're looking to build your credit score up, or maybe you're just looking to get a raise at work and raise your income. But you want to find a team that can guide you in the right direction and work with you while you work to get your personal financial situation up so you can get pre-approved. So finding a team that's willing to put the time in up front to help you buy your house, even if it takes a little bit more time, is really important. So if you want to get started, definitely reach out to me. I have a group of lenders that I can refer you to. They do a great job, and our contact information is below. And if you just want to look at some homes online, we have a website called thealpinegroup.net, and we have basically all the homes on the MLS that are listed online on our website specifically just for Rhode Island. So feel free to check that website out, and we hope to hear from you soon. Thanks so much.